How to move files and folders from C drive to your D drive in your Windows. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial to do so safely. So let's get started. So we can open up a file explorer for that, Win plus E directly, or open it up. And we can go to our C drive and find the specific files or folders. For example, let's say this is the file and folder. After that, you can right click on it, select the option for cut, or press Ctrl plus X and you can navigate to D drive. So select it, press Ctrl plus X. After that, you can navigate to your E or D drive. Once it is done, you can right click on it and select the option for paste and paste it. Now the file or the folder is moved, original is removed from the C drive. That is one of the methods. Apart from that, you can move folders in bulk. So go to C drive in bulk and select up multiple files and folders. Again, follow the same process. You can press Ctrl plus X, go to your E folder, and again, go ahead and right click on it, select the option for paste and paste it, and your folders will be moved in bulk. If you want to change the default save locations, what we can do is we can close this up, go to our settings, go to system, and within system, look out for storage, and within there, look out for advanced storage settings, and select the option for where new content is saved. Select it, look out for default. Your new apps will be saved into specific folders. You can select it and save the changes directly that way, and now the files is automatically saved to the folder. And that's it everybody. You just need to select the files and paste it, and that will do it very easily and very fast. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.